Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I am literally going to be following the skincare routine of the person who legit invented the term glazed donut skin. I'm going to be following a skincare routine by Hailey Bieber, but Rhode is not very easily available in India, and most of the products that Hailey used in this video of hers are Rhode skincare products. So I have come up with great alternatives that are available in India very easily. They are like mid-range products and some are like really affordable, but nothing is above 1500 is what I can assure you. It goes as low as like 300 or 400 rupees, but they are all certainly available in India. So let's just get started. She first starts off with the Rhode Glazing Milk, and we have the official dupe of most of Rhode's products, and which is our very own homegrown brand Hyphen by Kriti Sanon, and I will be using the Hyphen Ceramides Toner Essence. Now this has that perfect milky texture like that of the Rhode Glazing Milk, so let's apply this. She takes like a very generous amount on her hand, so I'm also doing the same, like spreading it, and I love this product. I have been using this for a very long time now. I think this is my second bottle if I'm not wrong. I really love this toner. It just gives the very right amount of moisture and hydration. On days when I'm like really oily, this can almost act as like full blown moisturizer. So yeah, that's that. Usually I do have a normal to dry skin, but on some days during monsoons I have a very oily and greasy skin, so this works really well. You see that glow that it just gave, just like the Rhode Glazing Milk. Post that, she uses the Rhode Peptide Glazing Fluid, and it is like a serum cum moisturizer kind of formulation. So I have found a very close dupe to it, and it is available in India, and it is the It Skin Peptide Collagen Serum. It has that same in between kind of a texture of that of a serum and a moisturizer. So I'll be applying this. This already makes my skin look so dewy and radiant. I can literally start applying makeup even after this step, but there's more to go for that glazed donut effect. The next product that she uses is the Barrier Restore Cream by Rhode, and we have our own Dot & Key Barrier Restore Cream. This is the Dot & Key Ceramides and Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer, and it's like a very close dupe to the Rhode Cosmetics. The ingredient list is very similar. So yeah, I'm applying about this much, and I already can't wait to see how glowy this will make my skin look. After that, she uses the Weleda Skin Food. Now the Weleda Skin Food is available in India, but I did not know about it, and I do not want to recommend things which might be a hassle for you guys to find. So I have a very similar formulation, and it works really well, and it moisturizes the skin. And like that the video that I'm referring to of Hailey Bieber, it is like a skin prep kind of a video which preps the skin for makeup. So I will be using something that really sits very well under makeup. I'm talking about the Embryolisse Light Cream Concentrate, and this is my favorite go-to moisturizer for wearing under makeup. There are days, in fact, whenever I'm doing my makeup, this is all I use under makeup other than like toner and a bit of serum, because this just does it for me, So I'm just moisturizing this, and what I do personally is I take it a bit under my eyes. It also like acts as a good eye cream, because honestly speaking, I don't believe a lot in eye creams. I feel like they are like a hoax. Unless and until you do not get good sleep, you do not drink a lot of water, unless until you don't have like the perfect genes, you cannot really have a dark circle free skin. And as far as wrinkles are concerned, it can only go away through Botox. Now the last step that she does is like a very nice hack, to be very honest, because it actually adds that glow factor to the skin other than the skin prep as well. So what she does is she uses her peptide glazing milk and she adds a few drops of illuminator or a liquid highlighter. I have the exact highlighter that she uses and it's a bit on the expensive side, but you can definitely go ahead with something like the Max Strobe cream or any other affordable liquid highlighter. However, I will be using the exact liquid highlighter that she used. So she used the peptide glazing milk in place of which I'm using this ceramide essence cum toner, and she used the Chanel glow drops. I have it in the shade Pearly Glow, so I'll be mixing these two and applying it on my face, and I just hope that it does not make me look overly greasy, but if this hack works, nothing like it. So just taking like 3 to 4 drops of this, like about this much, and then finally taking the Chanel glow drops. I'm mixing like 2 to 3 pumps of this. Okay, 3 pumps of this, and now I'm gonna like mix it up between my hands and I will apply it all over my face. Whoa, do you guys see what I'm seeing? Like I know that skincare can actually give you a lot of glow in general, but now that we have the highlighting drops, what do you guys say? Like, whoa, this is great. Okay, so you guys can definitely try this. She has 2 last steps. So she takes the peptide lip balms that she has, and in place of those peptide lip balms, I will be using the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. I love this. This is in the flavor peach, and it's like a very beautiful orangey kind of a shade, and I really like using this. You can see this just gives the most amazing glazed kind of an effect. Like, whoa, like if this stays on while I'm doing my makeup and then I apply a lipstick, this can just like, this will make the lips look really good and moisturized and will not dry it out irrespective of what lipstick you wear. Lastly, she just brushes her brows to give them like a good shape, and for that I am using this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I got this product from Tata Click. I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, then I will definitely link it down. In place of this, you can literally use any kind of a brow gel, like you have in ELF, then there is one in Miss Claire. I'll try and link the Miss Claire one in the description box below so that you all can check that out and buy it. And that's it. That's all she does for her skin prep. And honestly speaking, looking at myself, I feel like when I apply makeup on top of this, like foundation, concealer, powder, whatever, this glow is going to peek through no matter what I wear. So this is a great skincare routine. If you guys liked this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can keep getting these kind of recreations and good dupes that are available in India. And please leave some recommendations on what you guys want to watch in the future, and I'd love to make videos on that. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Bye.